Good morning, dear learners, and in today's video we are going to learn how to make puffed chapatis. What all ingredients you will need and what is the process by which you can make soft puffed chapatis. Okay, so for that first we have to sift the flour, या इसको आप फ्लोर भी बोल सकते हैं, FLOUR. It is pronounced as flour as well as flour. Okay, फ्लोर नहीं बोलना है. Now means आटा. सिफ्ट का मतलब होता है छानना. तो सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया, आटे को हमने छाना. Then add a pinch of salt or 1 teaspoonful of salt you can add. It depends upon the quantity of flour you are taking. Now you have to knead it by applying some pressure with your hands. You have to knead it into a dough. So you have to add small amount of water, and then with the help of your hands you have to knead it by giving pressure. You have to give some pressure and you have to turn the dough upside down and cover it with a clean cotton cloth and keep for I think 10 minutes or 7 minutes for rest. After that, again you just roll it and make small balls out of that dough. Now once you have made small balls out of that dough, you have to make them round with the help of both the hands, and then you dust it with the flour, and with the help of rolling board and rolling pin you have to flatten it into round beautiful chapati. Then turn on your gas stove and put a flattened pan, tawa जिसको बोलते हैं, flattened pan on the gas stove and put your chapati on that flattened pan. I think you have to wait for 1 minute, and after that you have to flip that chapati. मतलब कि आपको चपाती को क्या करना है, फ्लिप करना है. ठीक है ना. Now you heat that chapati on that side for longer time. आप वहाँ पर उसको फ्लिप करने के बाद थोड़ा देर तक आपको उसे सेकना है. मतलब you have to heat it for a longer time. Then remove the flattened pan and put that chapati directly on the gas flame, on high gas flame, and then you will get a round puffed chapati, soft also. And after taking out from gas stove, again put the pan for the next chapati and apply some ghee on that chapati, and your chapati, your soft puffed chapati is ready to eat. So tell me how you make chapati in the comment box, and do you like the process of making chapati? And you can also try these sentences: kneading, dough, and sifting, right? So these are the new vocabularies you can learn from this video. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like if you are learning something from my videos, and subscribe so that you can get more such videos and just enhance your learning. Thank you very much.